A pleasant morning to everyone. I am Marlene Manalo, and I'm here to share my thoughts about why should future teachers emphasize local and world literacy. So we all know that teachers is not just a teachers. Teachers also motivating students to do their best in school, and teachers is motivating the students to try even if they make mistakes. So as a future teachers, we need to emphasize the local and world literature because with the use of that, we can integrate or have a positive culture which the students will be engaged in every activities or discussions. So as a teacher, we all know that we are the role models of the students. So um, we are the role models of the students. So um, we need to engage them for to our discussions, and we need to engage them to our discussions, and we need to inspire them to grow, to participate in our discussions, our activities, and inspires them to grow and believe to themselves. So as a future teacher, we are not just an educator. We also are mentors. We are also a mentors who guides the students um, to reach their goals in life, and um, we are not just an educators, we are mentors. We inspire them to keep going and never give up, and local and world literature, with the use of local and world literature, um, we need we need to create a we need to create a fun and engaging activities to make um, make learning more interesting and exciting. That's why, to sum up, as a future teacher, we need to emphasize the local and world literature to have a positive and engaging discussion. Okay.